Hello friends, I am once again in front of you with a new topic, selling. Selling is a prerequisite for life and affect at every area of our life. It is very simple to say but very hard to survive without selling. We should clear in two words, SELL sale and SALE sale. Pronunciation is much similar but difference is bigger because sale is the art of persuading someone for your product, your service and your ideas, whereas sale is something exchange for money, service, your products and your solution. It means selling is the art persuading, negotiating and convincing to others for your products, for your ideas and for your service. Sometimes, somehow and someone selling is distasteful and disgusting. It is clearly meaning you misunderstanding about selling. It would not be superlative if I say salespeople drive entire world economy. All people should be required to learn basic persuading skills, negotiating skills, and basic closing techniques, as these are fundamentals to life. Because these are the fundamentals of business. If you great persuading, negotiating, you can grow your business, grow your margin and your career as well. Unfortunately, some handful of people really learn this technique so that they are leaders of market. Otherwise, mostly people take it casually, take it for granted. You have to learn, you have to fanatic and freak about selling. Salespeople make most money, but here I am very clear to you, enthusiasm is great, but it is not replacement of knowledge. It is not replacement of knowledge. Then what to do? You have to learn this art. What are the 5 essential components of inside the sale? How to handle rejections, how to make sale funnels, how to meet sale targets. I caution you, if you will not be committed to your career, you will not getting your results. If you will not be getting your results, then you will not be getting success. You will not getting success in job, any kind of business. And my dear friends, if you will not getting success, then you will not well survive. And you will be stuck in vicious cycle. So you must commitment yourself. Because commitment is an art to learn, devotee oneself. I give the formula. Commitment is equal to result, and result is equal to money, and money is equal to happiness. I am in a businessman. I am in business, and for me, people are always senior than product. People first, then product. You have to learn power of association. You have to learn power base and many more. Don't worry, I am here and I come to you as per my view, because my basic background technical. I am not typical marketing, but as per my view, marketing is an art to sell your solutions. Every technical guy should learn this technique. If they understand well and they well understand this art, then they can make bonfire to sail industry. Always keep this mind. Always keep this mind. People believes what they see, not what they hear. I come to you soon with a great platform where we can discuss and learn these techniques. Sailing. You can join with me. I am come here with a great platform coming soon. Thank you very much.